folks. I'm out here on Orcas Island in the beautiful Pacific Northwest. It's a cool February day. Sun's just coming up. It's like 8:30. I'm gonna go on a little adventure, see what I can get into. It's been raining a lot out here, so I think there's some waterfalls, some water in general just flowing. Try to do some long exposures or something. Just kind of experiment. Alright, here we are. I am at South Turtleback Trailhead, part of the Turtleback Mountain Preserve. Pretty cool trail system. I hear water right off the bat, so we'll check that out. Probably move past that and see what else we have. It's a nice crisp morning. A little chilly, not too bad. Sun's in and out, so let's see what we can get into. I love this time of year. One of my favorite times here in the Pacific Northwest. It's good to be out. Some cool things I like to shoot. Turkey tail mushroom. There we go. That's cool. All right. Carry on. It's been a pretty steep, not steep, but consistent incline. The forest here is just amazing. All right, so I'm propped up here on this bench, questioning if there is any waterfall on this trail besides the one that I've already passed. I'm not that far in. It has been a consistent climb, but either way, it's beautiful. So I think I'm just gonna continue on, and if there isn't a waterfall, if I get a little bit further ahead, then I'll turn around and I'll just mess with the little water that's running by the trailhead. So either way, it's a good thing. The sun's out, peeps out every once in a while. Let's go. Let's see if there's any cool reflection here. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I try. Nah, I don't like that. Forgot how beautiful this hike is. It's been a while since I've done this trail. I think I just did it one other time last summer, so it's a beautiful day today. I'm gonna see if somehow I can capture this view. We'll see. There's the view. Outstanding. This dead tree is kind of interesting. Kind of hard to get because of the sun. Maybe there's moss. Let me see about coming over here, getting some of this kind of burnt and rotten wood. You know, I like a good leaf with water on it. Onward. All right, so as far as waterfalls go, I'm gonna count that out. I think I'm pretty much at the top, so I'm gonna continue on a little bit just to see what is down the trail a little bit. I can't really remember, so we'll carry on. Right now I'm just taking in this view. Oh yeah, let's go. It's been a great hike. Check out all these mushrooms. Wow. Let's see if we can get some pictures of it. so many. They have it fenced off, so it's obviously protected. I feel like most people would probably pick these if the fence wasn't here. So this is super cool. All right, I think I got some good pictures of the turkey tail mushrooms. I think they're turkey tail. I'll have to double check to make sure that's right. It's starting to snow. There is some snow flurries, so that's kind of interesting. Sun is covered up, clouds have rolled in. I'm not super prepared for snow and like cold weather, so I don't want to be out here too long. Ooh, it's beautiful. Wow. Oh wow. This is beautiful. I forgot about this. Wow. Ooh, a bald eagle. And he's out just like that. Couldn't really find him on the screen. Wow. I'm gonna pack up and get down. Alright, I'm heading down now, so I'm pretty much just going to probably put my camera away and just enjoy the hike down to the water. So, I'll see you down there. Hello, doing good.
Okay, huh?
Yeah, got cold quick. Enjoy. Okay, I found a pretty cool spot. Cool. Not bad. I like that. That's not even the main water I wanted to go to. There's still one more that I've been wanting to hit. So but it's just so beautiful. Okay, I might have got some decent shots at that one. We'll see. Alright, we're back at the trailhead. I'm going to take a few pictures. I'm not sure what I'll be able to get. I have no idea what I'm going to do here, but GoPro's going to die, so I have no idea. I have no idea what I'm going to do here. Okay, this is what I've come up with. I'll mess with it a little bit and see what I can get. Alright, I don't really like those shots, so let's try somewhere new. Alright, we're wrapping up here. It's been fun. Everything's going dead, so this is a good time to end this video. Until next time, have a good one.